This is part 2 of the November light switch collection, so let's get started. MK one-way light switch, Logic Plus, MK Logic three-way light switch, Series 4000 cooker switch. I also have one with neon. Rix fuse switch with neon. A very old MK Logic fuse switch. Right here is the holes for the wires. MB fuse switch. Rix backplate. 29th of the 10th, 2023. MB three-way light switch. This one is the neon version of the Series 4000 cooker switch. Series 4000 backplate. MK Logic switch with neon. GET fuse switch. XM 16616 one-way light switch. MB plug socket switch. Contactum fuse switch. Fuse switch, I don't know the brand of it. MK Logic Plus fuse switch with neon. Dita fuse switch with neon. Plug socket switch, I don't know the brand of it. A pendant, I think, I don't know the brand of it. Rolex pendant. PMS pendant. This is the last part. Bye guys.